Let me show you an easy way to change the language on Netflix on your phone. You can change the language for the text in the app or on Netflix.com, but you can also change the audio language as well as the closed caption language. I'll show you how to do all of it. Now, first, just open up the Netflix app on your iPhone or Android. It works the exact same. You have two different options to do this. One is tap on My Netflix at the bottom right. Tap on those three lines at the top right and then tap on Account. You'll be able to see some limited information about your account, but you can't change the language directly in the app. Unfortunately, you need to go to the web-based version. But you can do that by tapping on Manage Account at the very top. Or you can just hop out of here and open up a web browser, and you can just go to netflix.com. After you've signed into your account, we can change the language on here by tapping on Manage Account. And now from here, it will pop up with a screen that looks like this. All we need to do is scroll down, and you're looking for the option that says Edit Settings, Languages, Subtitles, etc. Tap on that, and then tap on Languages. Now you can see two different options. One is your display language. You can change this to something different. Essentially, these are the words on the screen. But if you also wanted to change the default audio and subtitle language, you can always change that in here just by checking on it and then scrolling down to the bottom. And then after you've done that, just hit the Save button and it will update that language.